On a spring day, you notice water pooling next to your home. You decide to check on your crawlspace and notice you have standing water. Stay tuned to find out the cost of crawlspace drainage. Hi, I'm Nolan, the Director of Sales Development at Unveiling. A dry crawlspace is valuable to the foundation of a home. In this video, I'll explain why you may need crawlspace drainage, how it is installed, and how much does it cost. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. Crawlspace drainage is needed anytime there is standing moisture in your crawlspace. So any type of standing water. We know that there's going to be moisture in a crawlspace just due to the floor being dirt and releasing its natural moisture throughout the years, throughout the season changes. But anytime you see standing water standing in that crawlspace and it's not a plumbing leak, you're going to want to get crawlspace drainage down there before other problems occur. The first thing we're going to do is dig a trench all the way around the perimeter of the crawlspace. This trench is 6 to 8 inches deep, probably about 4 inches wide. That's going to go around the perimeter and sometimes through the middle depending on where your water problem is at. Then we're going to simply lay a geochannel tile into that trench, leaving that geochannel stick up approximately 1/2 to 1 inch above the dirt level. And finally, we're going to backfill that dirt once that geochannel has been laid and connected to the new sump pump and pit. It can all depend on how big your crawlspace is. Typically, geochannel is going to cost approximately $30 per linear foot, so for your whole perimeter and even through the middle if you need it there. Now this price can change a little bit if your crawlspace is very small and tight, to where it's going to take a lot longer for a crew to come in and do the geochannel. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about water drainage for your crawlspace? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawlspace and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.